everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to explain very important and frequently repeated questions related to average. So before watching this video, make sure that you have watched day 1, day 2 and day 3 video of average. And today is the day 4 video. Here is the 19th question. Let me read the question. There are 50 students in a class. One of them weighing 50 kg goes away and a new student joins. By this, the average weight of the class increases by half year. The weight of the new student is option A 70 kg, option B 72 kg, option C 75 kg and option D 76 kg. Here the question is, there are 50 students. In that 50 students, one student who is weighing 50 kg goes away. Okay. See, 50 different students has different weights, right? So, in that anyone whose weight is 50 kg goes away. In that 50 kg student place, some other student joins. So that the average weight increases by half kg. Okay. If we get the question that n persons or their ages students, in that any n persons leave the group, okay, in that any one person leave the group and another person comes in that place, so that their average increases or decreases, then we have the formula A plus or minus NB to know the weight of that new student, okay, new student or person. To know the weight of the new person or student, anything, we have formula A plus or minus NB, where N is the number of students or ages, persons, cricketers, whatever in the question, and B is the average, whether it increases or decreases. If it increases, we need to take plus, and if it increases, we need to take minus. And A is, I told you that any one person who leaves the group, their age or kgs, if weight is given kg, age is given ages, that will be given, right? So that is A. If I solve this question, you'll understand this concept. 19th question, 50 students are there. So n is equals to 50. Okay. One of them weighing 50 kg, that is A. A is 50 kg. N is 50 kg. A is 50 kg. The person who goes away from the group is A. Okay. Here 50 kg. And by this, the average weight of the class increases by half kg. Increases. Weight increases. Average, we need to take this B. B is the average, increases or decreases. This is formula. That's it. Now, increases is given. So, I need to take A plus NB. Just substitute this. A is 50, N is 50, B is half, 50 plus 25, 75 kg. Option C. The weight of that new student is 75 kg. So simple, right? I have taken a lot of time to explain you, but if you understand this concept, it just take 10 seconds to solve this problem. That's it. And 20th question. The average age of a committee of 11 persons increases by 2 years when 3 men of 32 year, 34 year and 33 year are replaced by 3 women. What will be the average age of those 3 women? Option A 40 years, option B 41, 1 by 3 year, option C 41, option D 40, 1 by 3 years. Here also same concept, same application, same 11 persons. Total 11 persons are there, and the average age of committee of 11 persons increases by 2 years. Average is increasing by 2 years. Average increases. B, right? 2 years. And when When 2 years are increasing, when 3 men in the group of 11 persons, 3 men whose weight is 32, age is 32 year, 34 year and 33 year. Now you will get the doubt. Here A is 3 numbers, 3 ages are given. Nothing, you just have to add up this, that's it. If I have 5 ages, just add that. 7 ages, add that. Okay, no need to worry. If 1 is given, just take A is equals to, here we taken 65, right? 65 not 50. A is 50, just one thing is given, just one left the group. Here 3 members are leaving the group, so 33, 34 plus 33 is A, are replaced by 3 women. In the place of 3 men, 3 women are replaced. Okay, same concept. The age, average age is increasing. A plus NB. Plus I have taken because here the average is increasing, right? So A is 32 plus 34 plus 33 plus N is 11, B is 2. When I add up this, I'll get 99. 11 into 2 is 22. I'll get 121. This is not the final answer. Read the question properly. What will be the average age of those 3 women? See, this 121 is the sum of the age of 3 women. Okay, sum of the age of 3 women. Here we do not have the question to find the sum of the age of 3 women. Here the question is to find the average age of 3 women. How we know the average? When I divide the sum of observations by total number of observations, then I'll get the average. This is the sum of age of 3 women. When I divide this sum of age of 3 women by 3, then I'll get the average. When I divide, I'll get 41 by 3. Try it yourself, okay? Option D. Let's move to the 21st question. Here also the same concept, same thing. This very important concepts. 21st question. The average age of 8 men is increased by 2 years. How many men? N is 8, is increased by 2 years. B is 2 years. When 2 of them, here 2 persons are given. Just add up this. 21 plus 23. Okay, are replaced by 2 new men. In group of 8 persons, 2 men leave the group. In that place, 2 men get joined. Okay, 2 men will leave the place, will leave the group whose ages are 21 and 23. Just add that. That is A. Okay, then the average age of the 2 men. What is formula to find the age of the 2 men first? Not average age, just age of 2 men. That is A plus NB. A is 21 plus 23, that is 44, plus N is 8 into 2. 44 plus 16, you'll get 60. What is this 60? This 60 is the sum of the age of 2 new men. Okay, this is the sum of age of 2 new men. I need average. What I need to do? I need to divide this sum of age of 2 new persons by 2. Then I'll get this, the average age of 2 new men, that is 30. Option D. Question number 22. The average weight of 8 persons increases by 2.5 kg when a new person comes in place of one of them weighing 65 kg, what might be the weight of new person? Option A 76 kg, option B 76.5 kg, option C 85, option D data inadequate. Do you think data is inadequate? No, right? Sufficient data we have, so we can delete this option. Without doing the problem itself, we can delete this option. And okay, let's solve the question. The average weight of 8 persons, total n is 8, increases by 2 years, b is 2.5 years, kg, when a new person comes in the place of one of them weighing 65 kg. In 8 persons, one person leave the group who is weighing 65 kg. In third place, someone joins, so who is leaving the group, whose weight is 65 kg. And to know the weight of the new person, we have the formula A plus NB. 65 plus 8 into 2.5. When you multiply 8 into 2.5, you'll get 20. 65 plus 20 is 85. Option C. Question number 23. 3 years ago, the average age of A and B was 18 years. With C joining them, the average age becomes 22 years. How old is C now? Option A 24 years, option B 27, option C 28, and option D 30 years. Here, the average age of two persons is given. That is, A plus B by 2 is 18. Right? This is the form, right? Average age of A plus B, two persons, 18 is the average. This is the sum of the age of two persons. To know the sum of the age of two persons, I need to multiply this total number by average, 36, right? Yeah, this 36 years is the age of A plus B before 3 years. Now, what is their age? To know this, I'll give you an example. Think any one person named X, whose present age is 30 years. Okay. If someone asks it, what is your age before 5 years? Then without doubt, his age will be 25 years, right? If someone asks her, what is your age after 3 years? Then 33 years, right? Like that itself, if A plus B, the sum of age of these two persons before 3 years is 36, then what is their present age? Before 3 years, 36 years. Now means 3 years we need to add for each person, right? 3 years and 3 years plus 3 plus 3. What is that? 36 plus 3 plus 3. I think you have clear with this. 3 years we need to add, right? 36 plus 3 and plus 3, I'll get 42 years. This is the sum of present age of A plus B. This 36 is the age before 3 years. Now their present age is 42. And another thing, with C joining them, their present age, okay, and this is not before or after age, present age. With C joining them, the average age becomes 22 years. With C joining them, they become 3 persons, right? So, 3 members, average is 22. When I multiply, I'll get the sum of age of A plus B plus C. Okay, 66. This is present age of A plus B and this is present age of A plus B plus C. Here the question is to find the age of only C, right? These are the sums. Okay, when I subtract the age of 3 persons by age of 2 persons, that is A plus B, I'll get A plus B plus C, minus into plus minus A, minus into plus, minus b minus a, you can say get cancelled, minus b get cancelled. 66 minus 42, that is 24. Age of C is 24. Option A. That's it. 23. So to solve this question, we need the basics of problems on ages, which is quant syllabus. Okay. So today we are done with average topic. If you practice all questions from day 1 to now day 4, I'm sure you have built your concept. I don't give any guarantee that you will learn if you have watched only once. If you want to build your conceptual and application level, then you must and should, you need to practice twice or thrice. Otherwise you can't learn quant. And search some more questions related to average, Google it, or if you have books, it's good. Practice more. Then from tomorrow I'm going to start new topic. If possible, try to complete average today.